My name is John Nabin with West County EMS and Fire. Today we're going to be doing some respectful entry and through the lock techniques. This object is going to be a regular handle style door that's locked from the inside, as you can see. Similar to a school or some hotels, things like that, where we don't have a key to get in, but we need to get the handle from the inside, grab it to unlock the door. So what we're going to use is what's called the UDT, or the under the door tool. And the idea is that the tool will slide under the door, sit here, the metal wire will slide behind it, and then when we pull on it, it will unlock the door. So first, we slide the tool under the door, and we always want to hold our wire. And once we get it under there, slide it up. Hear it hitting against the door, and then we work it to the left. And once we feel it caught on the door, we pull our handle and open our door. And then we're in. And then when we're done, we close the door and it still stays locked. All right, so we're just gonna do a little bit of a different view so you can see the outside of the door and the inside. Again, the door is locked. We would slide the tool underneath, holding onto our wire, and then for tight spots like this, you can lean it to the side. You want to hear the tool scraping against the door, and then when you feel it catch the handle, you start to pull down. And then the door is unlocked, and we would push it.